Hi there, welcome to Tech Hounds. I'm Abe Mahdi, and today we're reviewing the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G. Whitestone was generous enough to provide us with a review unit for this video, so let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn on touch sensitivity to increase the screen's responsiveness when the screen protector is installed. Then you're going to want to remove any of the fingerprints that you have already installed. We're going to re-add them once we install the glass screen protector. After that, we're going to turn off the phone. Now we're ready to install. We're going to get our tray ready. So you're going to notice that the bottom tray has a tilt. That's intentional. That is so that when we apply the adhesive, it rolls down the screen and allows us to apply the adhesive equally across the screen. We have these 4 pieces of masking tape. We're going to apply the masking tape to all 4 edges of the phone so that no adhesive can enter it. And try not to get it too close to the edges of the screen so that it doesn't interfere with the screen protector. If it takes you a few tries, that's okay. The tape is pretty durable and it will last a couple of retries. I don't really think it's needed for the left side of the S20 since I don't see any visible ports or mics, but for good measure, we'll do it. Now that we have all 4 sides of our phone fully covered and protected with the masking tape, we're going to wipe the front of the phone with an alcohol wipe. This is going to remove all of the fingerprints, grease, and dust so that we have a nice clean surface to apply our screen protector to. Then we're going to use a dry cloth to dry it down and remove any smudges. And then we're going to place the S20 in the bottom tray, and you're going to see that this is the tray with the tilt. Up top it says speaker, which is actually the earpiece where the front-facing camera is. It's not the bottom speaker, it's actually the earpiece speaker. So that's where the top of the phone goes. We're going to drop it in there, and it fits nicely. Once we place the S20 in the bottom tray, we're going to take this speaker sticker here and we're going to place it right at the top to block the earpiece so no adhesive can enter it. So now that I have the top speaker sticker perfectly aligned and it's not blocking the screen but covering the earpiece, we can now place the top tray over the bottom tray. And just be sure to remove the accessories if you left any of the accessories on the tray. You'll see that we have a top pin here. We're just going to place this right up top. You'll see that the pin does stick out here. This is so that the screen protector can rest on it while we wait for the adhesive to bond to the screen. Next up, we have these 2 absorption pads, which are going to go on both sides of the top tray. They sort of just slide. They slide very easily on the left and right side of the alignment tray. And you're going to want to make sure that you have a nice snug fit. This is to prevent any excess adhesive from sliding onto the sides of your phone. Next up, we're going to take one of these dust removing stickers and run it across the screen to remove any additional dust particles that may have gotten onto the screen. We don't want any dust on the screen before application because that'll create air bubbles. Once you've removed all of the dust, it's time to apply the positioning bridge, which goes right up top here. The adhesive is going to rest on the bridge, but first we need to remove the colored cap and place it face down. The adhesive is in here, but because it's airtight, none of it is going to spill. So we're just going to drop it onto there. And then once we're ready to release the adhesive onto the screen, we're just going to unscrew the black cap. And you'll see that the adhesive is dropping there. And we're going to Just give it about 30 seconds so that all of the adhesive can fully empty out and drop onto the screen. After 30 seconds, carefully remove the adhesive tube and the bridge. Now we're ready for our glass screen protector. We're going to remove the sticker from the back part. We're just going to peel back slowly. Then we're going to take that sticky part, we're going to place it face down, and we're going to have it rest on this top pin that we applied earlier. Next up, we're going to apply our handle to the alignment tool, which is going to guide us, which is going to help guide the adhesive into the proper location. There's a textured side. The textured side is going to face down. The smooth side is going to face towards you, and that's where we're going to apply the sticker handle. So the sticker handle essentially folds like this. But first you have to remove the sticky backing, so just going to go like this, this. Both blue sides are going to stick to each other. We're going to stick the blue sides together, and two sides with the arrows are going to press down on the alignment tool, like so. That way we have a handle and we can easily remove it when the time comes. So once we have the adhesive ready to go and our alignment tool is in place, we're going to tilt the tray and we're going to wait for this adhesive to make its way all the way down to the center marker on the alignment tool. And when that happens, we're going to remove the top pin so that the screen can fall onto the phone. And now we're going to wait 100 seconds so that the adhesive can fully bond to the phone and evenly distribute. Now we can remove the guide. After the 100 seconds, we're going to use the UV light to cure the screen for 15 seconds at the top and 15 seconds at the bottom. Okay, 15 seconds at the bottom. After you've cured the phone for 15 seconds at the top and bottom, you can remove the top tray. You can remove the phone from the tray and remove the speaker sticker. We're going to give the phone another wipe around the edges to remove any spilled adhesive or any excess adhesive. Try not to wipe too much because you don't want to remove the adhesive that's on the screen. Now that we've wiped any excess adhesive, we're going to cure the phone again for a minute at the top and a minute at the bottom. Okay, and once you've finished curing, you're almost done. We can remove the masking tape from all four sides. And we can give it one last wipe. After you've wiped it down, it's time to turn the phone back on and rescan your fingerprints. Whitestone recommends that you scan each finger twice for an accurate reading. And once you've scanned your fingerprints, you're all done. You can test out the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor with the screen protector on, and you can see that it works on the first try. Once you've registered your new fingerprints, you're all set and you can enjoy your Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector. I want to thank Whitestone for providing us with today's review unit. Thanks for watching.